Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add or remove Google account in Redmi Note 13. So guys, for adding the Google account, all you guys have to do just go to settings. So as you see, we have option of Google. Just click to Google and then click here. After that, as you see, we have option of add another account. So just tap to add another account and then the checking info start. So all you guys have to do just enter the email here which you want to add and then now enter the password here and then click next. So if you want to save the password, you can click to save, click to I agree, and that's it. So as you see, the account is now added. So this is how we can add Google account. But if you want to remove the account, all you guys have to do, just go back and click to Google again. After that guys, just tap here and then click to manage account on this device. Now click to Google. As you see, we have these two accounts. I want to remove this account, so just click to more. So just tap to this account and then click to more. Now we have option of remove account. So just tap on remove account and then click to remove account. So that's how the Google account is removed. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.